Namaste, this is Madhuri here from Madhuri Yoga, and in today's session we are going to give some gentle therapeutic movements for our knees. Yes, we are going to specifically focus on our knees. So let's get started. Before we begin, if you want to attend any of my classes or upcoming workshops, check all the links given in the description. Let's get started. Lie down in Shavasana position. Make sure your entire spine is resting fully on the ground. Let's get started. Fold your right knee. Interlock your fingers. Place your palms below your knee. Now synchronize every movement with your breath. Keep it gentle. Breathe in. Straighten your leg. Breathe out, bring it down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Let's go two more. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in and hold. Keep holding. If you hear your knee cracking, that's absolutely normal. Very slowly bring your foot down. Release your hands. Take your leg down. Come back to Shavasana. Let's do the same on the other side. Fold your left leg. Interlock your fingers. Take your palms below your knee. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Two more. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Last one. Inhale, up. And hold. Keep breathing. As you exhale, bring your foot down, release your hands, stretch your leg, come back to Shavasana. Let's do the same with both the legs. Fold both your knees, lift your feet up, take your palms below your knees, don't grab here tightly, just for support, hold them. Breathe in, straighten your legs. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Two more. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, hold for 5 breaths. Straighten your legs as much as you can. Keep coming out of your comfort zone. Slowly bring your feet down. Release your hands, stretch your legs back to Shavasana. Perfect. Now let's do some knee rotation. Fold your right knee. Interlock your fingers, take your palms below your knee. Now slowly start rotating your lower part of the leg from the knee. Be slow and gentle. No need to rush. Observe what is happening at your knee. Do it with complete awareness, no rush. 7 rounds clockwise. Now let's go for the other direction. Slow movements. Last round. Finish. Come to a stopping point. Release your hands. Bring your leg down. Come back to Shavasana. Let's go on the other side. Fold your left leg. Interlock your fingers. Take your palms below your knee. Now let's start with the left leg rotation. Make sure you're rotating from the knee and not from the pelvic region. Keep breathing. Never forget to breathe. So there's a lot of tendency that when we are doing asanas, we think that if we hold our breath, we can do it better. But it is not true. You need to keep breathing. Unless and until specifically mentioned, you don't have to hold your breath. Now let's rotate in the opposite direction. Be kind to your knees. Your knees carry a lot of your body weight, so you need to be gentle. Two more rounds. Last round. Finish. Release your hands. Bring your foot down, stretch your leg and relax. Now let's go for one beautiful movement which is very good for the entire lower body, but specifically for our knees. So fold both your legs, lift your feet up. Now stretch your right leg fully. Bring your right leg back. Left leg forward, bring it back. Yes, you must have guessed we are doing cycling. Sanchalita Padasana. Continue at a slow pace. Now you don't have to hold your legs with your hands. Place your palms by the side, palms facing down. Continue, slow pace, no need to rush. Ease into the movement. For a lot of you, if you have not done any sort of physical movement for your legs, this might be out of your comfort zone, so take it slow, no need to rush. Now, let's come back, reverse direction, keep breathing. You might feel a little bit of pressure in your lower abdomen, that is normal. Keep breathing. Slow down, come to a stopping point. Bring your feet down, stretch your legs, come back to Shavasana. Now observe the lower portion of your body. You might feel a little bit of intensity at your pelvic region as well. Let's go for this once more. This time let's increase the speed a little bit. Come out of your comfort zone. Fold your knees. Lift your feet up and start from the right. So when I say increase speed, again you need to do it with complete awareness. Remember, we are doing yoga. So mind and body both should be here. When you stretch your leg forward, make sure it is to the full extent possible. Let's come back, reverse direction. Keep breathing. Slow down. Slow down. Come to a stopping point. Bring your foot down. Stretch your legs and relax. Allow your lower body to relax. Let's take a moment. Next, let's go for Ananda Balasana. It's a beautiful asana, specifically for your pelvic region and lower back, but it has a wonderful effect on the knees as well. So let's get started. Fold your legs, lift your feet up, take your hands between your knees, hold your big toes, spread your feet apart, knees are bent, your knees are near your elbows. Keep breathing. Now slightly pull your feet towards yourself. This will have a wonderful effect on the pelvic region as well as your knees. Keep breathing. Slowly bring your feet together. Release your hands. Bring your legs down. Come to Shavasana. Let's do Ananda Balasana once again. Fold your legs. Lift your feet up. This time, take your hands between your knees and hold the center of your feet instead of the big toes. Spread your feet apart. Now when you do this, your knees will be very close to your armpits. Again, pull your feet downwards towards you. Keep breathing. Slowly bring your feet together. Release your hands. Bring your feet down. Stretch your legs. Come back to Shavasana. Now let's go for the last pose. Bridge pose, Setubandha Sarvangasana. Usually we do Setubandha Sarvangasana specifically focused at the lower back and the spine. But today we are going to practice it for our knees. Yes, this asana is good for the knees as well. So fold your legs. Keep your palms by the side, palms facing down. Roll back your shoulders. Breathe in, waist up. Now observe your knees. It has a wonderful effect on your knees. So after a therapeutic movement for the knees, this is slowly moving towards strengthening the knees. Exhale, down. Let's give some movement. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. 2 more. Inhale up. Exhale down. Focus on your knees. Inhale up. And hold. As you exhale, slowly come down. Stretch your legs. Keep your legs apart. Keep your palms open. Close your eyes. Stay in Shavasana for a few moments. Observe your body. Observe your knees. Be aware of how your knees are responding. Now, slowly turn to one side. Use your palm, use your knee, and come to sitting position. Let's finish this session. Fold your hands into Namaskar Mudra. Slowly close your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Slowly, with a beautiful smile on your face, open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining in. So all these gentle movements that we practice today can be practiced by anyone irrespective of their age. So share this video with as many people as possible. It can be really helpful. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this session, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. We will meet in the next one. Be kind, be present, be grateful. Namaste.